Hey y'all, it's CJ. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you're not new, welcome back, poo. So today I'm gonna do a life update video since I haven't been around since most of the pandemic. Let you know what's going on with me and where have I been since COVID? Well, before COVID started. Okay, so I had got some reviews together that I was gonna do, and then, March came around. Like, everybody was hearing about COVID, so I thought my job was gonna stay open. They didn't. So, my job not staying open, like, that's sad as hell. Like, I don't have, like, I'm stressing. Honestly, I'm stressing. I don't have the extra funds to buy products to review or clothes to do a haul. Like, what kind of content did I have? Like everybody else is going through so much, and I just didn't feel like just knowing like when you just needed a break. And like this so happened to come around the time I needed a break. Like I needed to let my thoughts get myself together. Like I hit my first year on YouTube, so I was excited about that. But then it's like, I need to start preparing for my next year on YouTube. What am I going to do? What am I going to do different? Like I just wanted to rebrand my channel as well. So boom. Why haven't I've been recording? So, the videos that I did have, I had a couple of videos I wanted to do around March. And I was just, waiting for the perfect time, waiting for the right time to just post them, whatever. And then, Corona. So I didn't really, so the videos I had planned were about like different companies and products that you can use during your period or whatever, and I was testing out different pads and stuff. My period never came, so that's why I never did a video on it, because I was pregnant. And so if you read my shirt, it says the one where everyone finds out I'm pregnant. So I'm pregnant. Like, that was the first thought from my mind. I wasn't ready. Like, what the hell? What am I gonna do with the kid? Just so many thoughts. You feel me? And I made a doctor's appointment a week later, and I found out I was almost 2 months. And I'm just like, what? Like, and then when I went to my ultrasound appointment and I heard a heartbeat, started crying. I'm like, oh, this is real, like this is really real. So, with the whole pandemic been going on, I haven't really been up to date with my appointments as you normally should be or whatever. So that's the point, man. I was able to get these ultrasound pictures, and the baby is big. Like, baby is big and healthy, sitting on my bladder. Like, I'm peeing every 5 seconds, So, what was my family's reaction? Like, everybody was very supportive. Like, shocked the hell out of me, because like, this is my first kid. I've never had to have a conversation with them like this, So for the most part, every single person in my family was very supportive, and it was just like, okay, I can do this. I really don't have no other choice, but I can do this, And I think like the last couple months, like that's been on my mind, like being able to do what I need to do and get myself together, So like, I'm trying to work on like getting myself together so I can be able to provide for me and a baby, Like, all this is new for me, honestly. So it's like, I'm having a hard time I've already processed it, but I guess trying to adjust to it or whatever. And then so I was just like trying to process being out of work. So it was just everything hit me at once. But so I will be back on YouTube. So I will be doing update videos, and I will be doing pregnancy haul videos, and just processing everything with y'all, I guess.